A mechanical pencil to your life will take away any and all distractions from completing your next project or tackling those intricate measurements. So, let's begin. Number 1. Most popular. rOtring 190444460 Mechanical Pencil. The full metal body provides ideal weight balance for fatigue-free writing and drawing. Brass mechanism allows precision lead advancement, lead hardness grade indicator for rapid identification when working. Design, pattern, and size of metallic grip zone enable working for long hours without slipping. Guaranteed for 2 years from original purchase date against defects in materials or workmanship. Number 2. Unicore Keeps Sharp Mechanical Pencil. A good quality mechanical pencil that won't let you down is the secret to finishing even your most intricate projects without going mad. And, sure, you can find plenty of mechanical pencils with all of the bells and whistles included and for infinite sums of money. But sometimes it's better just to go back to basics with a versatile pencil that fits your needs without being overly shiny or expensive. Combining accuracy with a nib that refuses to break or go blunt, this is a pencil that will nonchalantly sit back in your pencil case. Number 3. Pentel Graph Gear 1000 Automatic Drafting Pencil. Superior drafting pencil for professionals and enthusiasts. Easily identify your lead type with the built-in lead hardness indicator. Dual action retractor advances and retracts pencil tip to protect lead from breaking. Finely chiseled metallic grip inlaid with soft, latex-free pads. Never needs sharpening, is super strong and produces a clear dark line. Color-coded sizes for fast and easy size lead size identification. Number 4. Rite in the Rain All-Weather Mechanical Pencil. Each all-weather mechanical pencil comes with 7 leads and 2 extra erasers. Patented tip expands so lead won't break, wobble, twist, or fall out when taking field notes. Durable resin barrel survives through the toughest conditions. Bold marking while writing down important notes in any weather condition. Number 5. Zebra Pen M301 Mechanical Pencil. 0.5mm fine point refillable mechanical pencil features a contemporary, stainless steel barrel that resists corrosion and is easier to sanitize than plastic. Strength and value combine in this refillable mechanical pencil with click to advance retractable lead, a significant upgrade from everyday plastic mechanical pencil. Convenient clip makes these instruments a fantastic grab-and-go option, attaching to your pocket, planner, collar, or briefcase pocket. Thanks for watching, like, comment and share.